Ladies and gentlemen, my name is NETELLER. I want to tell you how Gramfree works. Gramfree just like cryptocurrency. You'll be doing simple tasks every day. What you have to do now, you just have to sign up. I will give you the referral link which leads to Gramfree site that you use it to open your accounts. What you'll be doing daily is to roll 5 times in a day, view a video, 5 videos in a day, and signing smart contracts every day. So this is gonna make you earn up to $10 to $15 every blessed day. Okay, so at the end of your work, you must earn 500 grams. That is $1,000 or more than that. So when you reach 500 grams, you can withdraw it through paper, Bitcoin, ETHERIUM, Payer, and other means of making your payment. So this is free and legit. You're not paying any money to anyone. It's free. Gramfree is legit. Thank you.